Hey everyone, welcome to Real Knowledge Club podcast. Here with us, one of the global thought leaders, India's one of the leading wealth coaches, who is none other than like Sandeep Gupta with us, founder of Wealth Accelerator Club. He has empowered over 1 lakh plus people across India and across the world. And he is the author, TEDx speaker, Forbes featured entrepreneur. It's a great pleasure to have you, Sandeep sir. Uh, I'm a big fan of you. I
Thank
keep
you.
learning. I saw you for the first time at the FBR event in Chennai, and since then you have empowered so many people. And thank you so much for taking your valuable time.
Thank you so much,
And
Akshay, for inviting me.
great to have you with us, sir. Sir, I'm so curious to know about your backstory. Like, what made you start into like wealth as you come from that banking background, and how you decided you want to empower more people. And I saw your vision is also to empower more people, make India as the most financial literate country in the world.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Akshay, for asking that question. Because I was a banker for almost 15 years, what the company is called ICICI, Kotak Mahindra, ING, Vaishya Bank, SBI Cards, Standard Chartered. So I have a financial domain, a little bit expertise, and personally, I was very interested in the personal finance. And from 2007 to 2021, there are a couple of rules which I have made for myself, which made me become financially free at the age of 35. And when I became financially free, I thought that let me share this knowledge with the people who are not knowing all those things about personal finance, how to save, how to grow, how to multiply, how to invest, and how to become financially free. And then we started in 2020, we started teaching people, sharing my knowledge, what I have learned from books, webinars, workshops, training programs. And I got a massive success, and that's what we are doing right now. And when I became financially free in 2021-22, then my mission became that how I can make India one of the most financially educated country in the world.
Absolutely, that's wonderful. Sir, when I was recently reading the survey, most of the Indians make anywhere between 15,000 per month to like 25,000. But of course, the IT people, especially like the Bangalore, the engineers, doctors, they make like 1.5, 2 lakhs. After that, the income is almost plateaued. Every year, just 10% or 20% rise they have. Now, how to make like unreasonable progress, 10 years progress in 1 year, and millionaire to create a net worth of like $1 million? What are the mindset one has to basically adopt, sir?
Perfect. Thank you so much for question. Indian population, 95% people are making less than 1 lakh rupees per year.
Hmm.
Out of that one, I think 60-70% people are making only 40,000, 30,000 rupees per month. It means that they have only money to survive. So if they are having money only to survive, they can't save 10,000, 15,000 rupees per month. But whatever they have, maybe the 20,000 you have, 30,000 you have, 50,000 you have, 1 lakh, everybody can save at least 10% of their money to create a wealth, not in short term but in long term. As you said that 10 years का सक्सेस एक साल में मिल जाएगा, प्राइमरीली ये नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
Because then there are a lot of background has to be done. It means that you are saying that 10 years success 1 year, and then 20 years success in 2 years, and 30 years success for 3 years. So whole world will go
Yeah.
for a toss. But if you have done something 5 years, 10 years, like I was a banker, I was having knowledge, I was having a experience about the financial product, distribution of the products, banking knowledge, 15 years I was having, then it was easy for me to make successful career in as a wealth coach. But if you think that today I want to start a new career and want to make one, it is not possible. But as having said that, how to become a millionaire, forget about the millionaire, because million means 9 crore, 10 crore rupees you need to make. And after making, you need to start investing, so that you have saved 10 crore rupees, that's $1 million around in
Yes, sir.
India. To make 10 crore rupees, you need to generate revenue or make an income at least 30 crore rupees,
Absolutely.
right? So if you pay 10 crore rupees tax to the government of India, 10 crore rupees expenses, then 10 crore rupees personal asset can be built. So what it takes to make 30 crore rupees in next 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, or even 10 years, we need to start planning.
Absolutely.
You also know that it is not 30 crore rupees is not possible in 5, 7, 10 years in any of the corporate job, because
Yes.
average salary is 1 lakh, not half lakh on all those
Absolutely.
things, right? So think about it. If anybody starts at the age of 25, how he can start saving at least 15 to 25% of his income.
Yep.
That's all. And he started investing in the stock market, mutual fund, gold, or real estate, or any of the combination which can yield approximately 10 to 12% return. Eventually he will be able to make 20, 30 crore rupees corpus at the age of 60.
Absolutely.
This is a normal people can do. But if you want to create 10 years success in 3 years, 5 years, absolutely you need to start becoming trainer or coach or any kind of a startup where you can buy equity and all those things. So these are the things can be done. Now another question which you asked, what are the mindset is needed,
Absolutely.
right? So think about it, 80% things will happen only in your life only because of the mindset you have.
Absolutely.
Employee people will make employee kind of contribution, and employer kind of person will make on employer kind of contribution. So your contribution in the organization determines that how much money you will make. So if you start your own business, you take a lot of risk, you have a courage to put money, time, energy,
True.
a lot of things, a lot of blood and sweat is going to be happening. Maybe that you will not celebrate Saturday, Sunday, Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, 15 August. But if you are
All
okay with that,
sacrifices.
absolutely, without sacrifice, without putting something, you can't get anything. So if you are ready for 3 to 5 years journey, 7 years journey, along with your job, and parallelly you are creating a passive sources of income for yourself or active sources of yourself, and start learning the skill which is needed. skill का मतलब होता है काबिलियत क्या है. जैसे I was a banker, I was knowing how to distribute the products about the financial products, mutual fund, stock, but I was not knowing how to deliver that, how to sell that, how to market that, what is the branding. I have written a book. When you do all those things, it takes 3 years, 5 years, 7 years to do that. And I can certainly tell you 3 to 5 lakh rupees per month is not a big deal to make. And once you start making 3 lakh, 5 lakh rupees, then you can 6 lakh, 7 lakh, 10 lakh rupees. And a year, if you are able to save 10 crore, in a year you are able to save 1 crore and a half crore, it will keep compounding, keep growing, and that's how you become financially free.
Absolutely. Love that. Like we have to start early, and that's how like one can actually grow. So like nowadays AI is coming, and like many people are like losing their jobs. Recently Oracle fired 30,000 employees, 12,000 Indians. That was 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. Email, right? People, there is so much of anxiety, stress nowadays. All like big people used to tell doctors, engineers job is very safe. Nowadays first their job only is getting hit. People are not even knowing what is going to happen next 2 months, 3 months. Retirement planning, family planning, they don't have any clue. Neither this finance learning, why they haven't taught in the school and the colleges, sir.
Uh, Akshay, I can't comment that why they have not taught, because the same school you have gone, I have gone, and our parents have gone.
Yeah.
So, but question now at the age of 25, we are mature enough to understand ki what I can do, rather than asking the question and changing the government will not make any sense.
Yes, yes.
At the age of 21, when I started my first job, first thing was ki all people, almost 99% people know ki if you are earning money, you can save for future. None of the people on planet Earth knows that they don't need to save. But habits are not there. It means they have never taught how to save. They want to save, but they are not able to save. So that kind of training has not been given, or there is no mindset of saving and investing. And we are living in an area where people are saying that if I will lose job, I will not be able to sustain even for 3 months. So you know that your job is not permanent. You know that income is not permanent. That's then why you are not saving money, and why you are not consulting any financial advisor that I am making 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees. Now tell me how I can spend this money, invest this money, or save this money. What I need to do with this money?
Absolutely.
In our culture, we only know how to make money 1 lakh, and we assume that we know how to spend money. Let me tell you, we do not know how to spend money.
Yes.
So you know the art of learning, art of earning, but you do not know art of spending. The way money is coming in your life, maybe that 1 lakh and a half lakh rupees. If you do not direct your money, ki this 20% will go. I'll give you the simple formula: 50, 30, 20. 50, 30, 20 formula says that 50% or 60% money can go for the necessity, rental, grocery, vegetable, milk, बच्चों का पढ़ाई के लिए, education के लिए, इन सब में आपका 50-60% पैसा जाता है. 30% money can go for the wants. Wants means something you would like to do for yourself. Maybe that you would like to go for restaurant, you want to go for park, you want to go for amusement things, travel and all those things. And then 20% you can invest. This simple philosophy people do not understand.
Absolutely.
I'm not saying that this formula will work for 100%, but at least according to your lifestyle, can you create a formula? maybe that 80% will go right now, but 20 and 10% can go. Once you create a formula, then you will realize that something is working. Right now I have a system, I need to follow the system. I will tell you my story.
Sure, sir.
Exactly 2007 I used to make 7,500 rupees, and I used to save I used to save only 1,500 rupees per month
Okay.
in 2007. Not a big amount, but 1,500 rupees I started saving. Then I started working with ICICI Bank, was making around 25 to 30,000 rupees, saving 3,000 rupees, and I kept investing in the mutual fund. I was not knowing any product, but continuously I kept doing that. Then I started jumping into the stock market, then gold and all those things. But 10 to 15% I always saved. Today I'm a millionaire.
That's
It took me 15, 20 years.
Mm.
But did I quit my job? No. Did I have anxiety? No. Did I wanted to become financially free in a 1 year? No. It took me. But point here is right now, create a system. Now, coming to the AI is coming, people are losing the job. Think about it. Everything what is happening in your life, you know.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
AI is coming, you are knowing before AI something else has come. Before AI something else has come.
Yeah.
Before that something has a, so it does not matter what is coming. Question is right now, is your income and family safe? So 5 years back COVID has come, 7 years back demonetization has come, 10 years back another government has changed, subprime crisis has happened, the dot-com bubble bust has happened in 2000. Every 3 to 5 years some big changes are happening in the economy, and you will have repercussions on your job and businesses. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
What we are doing for that? We are not doing anything. And if we keep cribbing कि मैं मेरी नौकरी चली गई, your नौकरी has to go. नौकरी आ गई है तो जाएगी भी. बट अगर आप एक सिस्टम बनाओ कि 1,00,000 रुपए आई विल मेक, कैन वी डिजाइन इट कि आई विल एवरी मंथ आई विल सेव ओनली 5,000 रुपीज फॉर माई रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग, 5,000 rupees only for my kids' education, marriage, and all those things, and 5,000 rupees for my emergency. Your life is set.
Absolutely.
And this system need to be learned.
True,
And
sir.
nobody is teaching you,
Absolutely.
because you know how to make money, but you do not know how to manage it.
True, true. That's wonderful. Sir, and recently I was reading that book, Almanac, Charlie Munger, one of the greatest books even Bill Gates and Warren Buffett recommends in that book. In that they tell like inversion thinking. Instead of asking successful people what to do to become successful to make $1 million or something, the answers can be infinite. What not to do is more important than even knowing what to do. Now, what are the, as you have coached like so many entrepreneurs in India and around the world, what are the biggest mistakes you have seen, sir, like all the entrepreneurs doing? What one should completely avoid it?
Biggest mistakes people are making that they do not think. If they start thinking ki what I am doing right now in job, is it good for me? But if I lose job, or I would like to quit the job, I hate my job, or I want to start something, what are the options I am having? They have never thought. जब उनकी नौकरी चली जाती है तब उनको लगता है कि मैं कुछ शुरू करूं, and तब तक देर हो जाती है. So in insurance or any of the other things, it is also said you need to plan something which can happen but it is not happening right now, then you need to start. जब चीजें होने लगेंगी तब आपके पास टाइम नहीं होगा. So biggest mistake people are doing right now, they are spending future's money in present. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett, the Babylonian philosophy of investing, all those people keep saying never spend beyond your income. It means if you are making 1 lakh rupees, never spend more than 1 lakh. Spend only 70,000, 80,000. That's a way to riches. But what people are doing today?
They are buying the iPhone.
They are
the
buying
cars.
iPhone, groceries, they are buying what not, even travel plan, home, car, everything was in EMI. So you make 10 lakh rupees in a year and you bought 1 crore rupees flat. You bought 10 lakh rupees car, you bought 1 lakh rupees phone. If I can afford only 1 BHK, I will right now live in a rented apartment. And I will, dekho, what happens in your entire life, your age is very important. Timing is very important. At the age of 20 or 25, you start making money. From 20 to 25 to 40, approximately 15 years is the prime time of your life to experiment about life.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
It means you don't have a marriage, शादी नहीं होती है, experience कर सकते हो at the age of 28, 29, 30, 31, 40, whatever, right? 31 to 35 के बीच में शादियां होती हैं. Then you have an exposed to the family life as well. And then that's how stability comes. So I always recommend people don't buy any big liability before 40.
True.
In that time, you can create your income, you can learn a lot of things, you have time also, you can read a lot of books. Don't put money into loans or car EMI.
Okay.
Either you buy luxury today, or you sell your, or you constrain to yourself and put the same amount of money in developing the skill. And once you develop that skill, you 3 years 5 साल में आप क्लियर बनते हो. That's what I did. Today I don't have my own home. I live in a rented apartment. I'm a very happy man. I'm a millionaire today. Still I live in a rented apartment. It cost me 40,000, 50,000, 60,000 rupees. But if I'll buy the same house, it will cost me 1 lakh rupees EMI.
Yes.
Now, if 60,000 rupees buffer I have, can I invest in one diploma, one training program, coaching, and this 60,000 rupees per month, maybe that 5 lakh rupees साल का, 5 lakh rupees can give me 50 lakh rupees wealth.
Yep.
And all the success people have done that. But if I start putting 60,000 rupees EMI per month to buy one home, 20 years के लिए मैं book हो गया.
Same location, you can't
Same
even
location,
change the location,
car,
you can't change the place.
And now you can't, at the age of 40, 45, you can't change the job also. Very difficult, because your family is in Hyderabad, you can't go every day Bangalore, Chennai, your kids are growing up, you can't even change schools frequently. So freedom is more important on that age. So mistakes, people are buying a lot of liabilities, which are home loan, car loan, personal loan. They are using extensive credit cards to lavishly show to the people. Ramsey keeps speaking about it, right? People spend the money which they don't have to impress the people which they don't like, and spend the money which they don't have.
Absolutely.
तो क्यों करना है इतना? तो मुझे क्या लगता है कि we need to just peacefully make money and silently create a wealth by investing only 15 to 20% of our wealth in mutual fund or a stock or gold or real estate. Let asset keep creating money for you. And everybody has to create second source of income and third source of income without in take 2 years, take 3 years, take 5 years. In 15 years, what you did, you studied and you got a job. Now you have one source of income. Again invest 3 to 5 years and create another one.
Yep.
And again invest 3 to 5 years, create another one. If you have 3 sources of income, will you be more peaceful?
Yeah, absolutely.
More happy?
Yes,
more secure? That's what you want.
Amazing. It's all like learning the right skills, as you also pointed out. You coming from a banking background to make like $1 million net worth, you learned like presentation skills, like sales skills, public speaking skills, and like podcasting skills, like whatever we are doing now, author skills, like that. Every skill is like 1 crore rupees skill
Absolutely.
set, no, sir. And sir, when I was recently watching like what Rich Dad Poor Dad tells, and like Fastlane Millionaire, if you would have read, there is little bit contradiction. They tell like invest in the stock market, mutual fund, 10-20% rise year on year. Whereas if they invest in themselves and like learning the most important skill, one can even do like 10x. And you are the great example. Sir, for all the people, by learning in themselves, how they can make like 10x progress. Now imagine you are starting from zero. You only have like laptop and like cell phone with you and internet with you. What will be your step-by-step plan for you to go from zero to 1 crore? Because 10 crore is a big number for most people. 1 crore is many Indians have that dream. What will be your step-by-step path? Imagine people who are watching this have hired you as a CEO. What is your step-by-step plan, sir?
Very good question, Akshay. I will recommend people forget about 10 crore, 1 crore.
Yep.
Because you don't have even income. First
Yeah.
you survive.
Yes.
What we are right now, the glamour what has been spoken in the books. One author will say something, another author will contradict it.
Yeah.
All of them are right at their own place.
Yes.
You are the only right person on planet Earth, let me tell you. You know what is the best for your family, because your background is different, your skill set is different, your passion is different, your risk ability is also different. So first consult with somebody, read a lot of books, or just get knowledge from them and start implementing what you can implement. That's my major source of information for anybody. Now, if let's consider you want to make 1 crore rupees, first ask the question why you want to make 1 crore rupees, what you are going to be achieving. If you want to make 10 crore rupees, think about it. There is a no dearth of money, but if you will keep changing the goal post, अगर आप गोल पोस्ट हमेशा चेंज करते रहोगे, यू विल नेवर रीच एट योर गोल. तो लेट्स कंसिडर कि 5 years का डिसाइड करो कि आई वुड लाइक टू मेक 1.5 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees per month. बिकॉज 1 लाख रुपए 2 लाख रुपए महीने में बनाना आसान है रादर देन थिंकिंग फॉर 1 करोड़ 2 करोड़ 10 करोड़ रुपीज.
Correct.
So divide your goals in 5 years.
Reverse engineering.
Reverse engineering, the 1 crore, and think about it. What is the outcome after 5 years I want? Because अगर 5 साल के बाद बोलोगे कि 1 करोड़ रुपए sufficient है, then you start working for 10 years. देखो, let me tell you, I was making 75,000 rupees in my job. I thought I would like to become financially free so that I have a time freedom. And time freedom can only come by 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh rupees per month in my life. I made that one. Right now I'm relaxed.
Yes.
Again, I'm not changing my goal post for 100 crore, 200 crores, this trophy, that, no. Because that if I'll keep changing, I will be always in anxiety. If I will keep on anxiety, I can't take care of my health.
Yes.
I can't go gym. A lot of things I cannot go. I'm not saying you should not become the aspirational. You become aspirational, but work on the ground reality.
Yes.
So let's consider you have a laptop, internet. What you love to do? What you love to do? Let's consider कि I was very good in banking. I love money. I wanted to invest in stock market, mutual fund, see my money growing.
Yep.
I was very calculative minded. I started investing, and once I started investing, I realized that I can teach the same thing because I got a lot of success. Then I started researching about the books which you spoke about, Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Fast Lane Millionaire, The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. All the books I read. I watched the video. I got excited. एक लाइन सबसे सीखा, दो लाइन सबसे सीखा सारी बुक से. फिर मेरे को लगा यार कि my mindset is changing. Previously I was thinking about an employee, how I can make 10% income, 10% raise हर साल. And then I thought that let me go and teach the same thing. I was having a laptop. I applied all those things. मैंने अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस पे 7-8 मॉड्यूल बनाए कि कैसे सेव करना है, टैक्स कैसे बनाना है, इंश्योरेंस कैसे खरीदना है, इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टॉक मार्केट में, म्यूचुअल फंड में, क्रिप्टो करेंसी क्या होता है, रियल एस्टेट क्या होता है, पैसिव सोर्स ऑफ इनकम क्या होता है, डिजिटल कोचिंग क्या होता है, सेल्स क्या होता है, मार्केटिंग क्या होता है, निगोशिएशन क्या होता है, राइटिंग बुक क्या होता है, यूट्यूबिंग क्या होता है, पॉडकास्ट क्या होता है. आई हैव 38 सोर्स ऑफ इनकम राइट नाउ.
That's crazy.
How come? Do you think that 15-20 I have told you right now? But did it happen in a single day?
No.
No. It took me time. One book, one skill. एक podcast, एक skill. Practice that skill. Again, और हर चीज में आप perfect नहीं बनोगे. I can tell you one thing. अगर आप 1 घंटे भी रोज निकाल करके पढ़ना शुरू कर देते हो, or whatever your passion is, maybe that you are very good in yoga, meditation, you are very good in health, wellness, naturopathy, dietitian हो, cook हो, गार्डनिंग करते हो, राइटिंग करते हो, कुछ भी करते हो, फाइंड वन पैशन एंड से टू यूट्यूब की आई वांट टू लर्न द स्टॉक मार्केट और म्यूचुअल फंड और इंश्योरेंस और गार्डनिंग और पेरेंटिंग और टीचिंग और पब्लिक स्पीकिंग और कम्युनिकेटिंग. देयर विल बी हंड्रेड्स ऑफ वीडियो. वॉच देम एंड मेक नोट कि यार ये मेरे को सीख लिया, मैंने प्रैक्टिस कर सकता हूँ. एक मॉड्यूल इसका बना था, कैन आई डिलीवर 10 minutes प्रेजेंटेशन ऑन दैट वन? एब्सोल्युटली, वेरी गुड. नाउ देन अनदर टॉपिक, क्योंकि एक अगर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग लोगे उसमें पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, स्टेज प्रेजेंटेशन, कॉन्फिडेंस, कम्युनिकेशन, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विल कम. तो मेक अ मॉड्यूल आउट ऑफ दैट एंड स्टार्ट टीचिंग योर 5 people, 10 people, 20 people एंड चार्ज 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. स्टार्ट करो. You can't charge today 1 lakh rupees, but can you charge 1000 rupees per customer? Absolutely. Then 2000, then 3000, then people will come to know. You start coming on the social media, YouTube बनाओगे, and then you'll realize that your brand is becoming big. Your पहले आपको कोई नहीं जानेगा, then 5 people will know you, 10 people, 20 people, 30 people. It's a growth or not?
Yes, sir.
People don't measure the growth. They are measuring the result. It's a bad thing. Now you realize यार okay, पहले तो मैंने एक भी वीडियो शूट नहीं किया था. Right now after 30 days I have 30 video. I have grown absolutely. Last time I was not able to speak, but today I am able to speak confidently. Great. Oh, last year I have not read any book. This year I have read 3 books. Very good. Last year I was not having any millionaire in my community, but today I have 3 people to whom I can talk. Today I can go from 5-star. Previous year I was only going for the PG and 1000 rupees. Now you are realizing, oh, you are progress. Once you look back, आपकी प्रोग्रेस हो रही तो फिर आपको एंजाइटी नहीं होगी. और डोंट लुक कि आपके दूसरे लोग सोसाइटी में क्या कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम द रियलिटी वर्सेस एक्सपेक्टेशन इज द किलर ऑफ योर पीस. मतलब क्या हुआ कि एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं 5 करोड़ बनाने का, रियलिटी है 1 करोड़ रुपए की आपकी स्किल नहीं है. तो पहले स्किल से अपनी इनकम को मैच कराओ और उन लोगों के साथ रहो जो लोग पैसे बना रहे हैं, उनसे बात करो, उनका कोर्स खरीदो, बुक खरीदो 200 रुपए की, पॉडकास्ट देखो. वंस यू गो इन दैट एनर्जी, आपकी लाइफ चेंज हो जाएगी. दिस इज व्हाट माई परसेप्शन एंड दैट्स व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई यूज्ड टू मेक ओनली 75,000 रुपीज पर मंथ. आई यूज्ड टू वर्क इन एग्जैक्टली 3 kilometers away from this place, Whitefield में Standard Chartered Bank. Nobody was knowing me. After 5 years, I'm India's fastest growing wealth coach. Written 11 books. TEDx स्पीकर, शेयर्ड स्टेज विद रॉबर्ट कियोसाकी. इंडिया में किसी ने नहीं किया आज तक. 2 बार उनसे मिल चुका हूँ मैं, एक बार कोलंबो में, एक बार इंडिया में. आपको लग रहा है ये मेरे लिए पॉसिबल है, सब कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन इज राइट नाउ हाउ हंग्री यू आर. 1 घंटा अगर कोई निकालोगे, लैपटॉप है, एआई, आजकल तो एआई का जमाना हो गया है. कोई भी एआई का कोर्स 3,000 5,000 का कर लो, समझ लो, सीख लो. A lot of platforms are there where you can become the vendor, freelancer, start working from your home. A lot of people from my life who are doing freelancing job and making 30,000-40,000 rupees per month.
Absolutely. Like keep on learning. The more skills you stack, the more income one can actually.
Absolutely. Today I have a lot of skills: public speaking, communication, leadership, sales, mastery, negotiations, mathematics skills I have, book writing skills I have, YouTube podcasting skills I have. What skills I don't have? If I don't have a skill, I think that I can make money from that. I will go and buy 50,000, 1 lakh rupees product. I will learn in 3 months and I will make 10 lakh rupees.
Absolutely. Love that optimistic mindset you have, sir.
Anytime you need money, what I do you know? If I need, let's consider ki I want 1 crore rupees additional this year. I will tell you my story. Exactly 4 months back, I went one of the program where they used to sell they used to teach how to sell. I went there, learned all those things. Then couple of other courses I enrolled, invested 3 to 5 lakh rupees, and I launched one of my product called Sales Samurai Bootcamp. I make 40 lakh rupees in a single webinar.
Wow, that's crazy.
And you can also Google Sales Samurai Bootcamp in my Instagram. And then 40 people came. They paid me 1 lakh rupees. I made 40 lakh rupees. Now every 6 months I can do that event. 1 crore rupees in a year. Good or bad?
It's very good.
It took me at least 70 or 80 hours in 3 months to learn that skill.
That's wonderful.
Now, can 1 crore rupees में घर आ जाएगा? छोटा आ जाएगा? Very good. अगले year दूसरा, and 1 year will keep coming because I have now a skill.
Yep.
Home you will buy only one time, but income will keep coming for you lifetime. Now, let's consider I don't know anything about AI. Most probably in 1 month I can learn AI. It is not rocket science. देखो, आपको लगता है कि आपको एक्सपर्ट बनना है, पीएचडी करना, नहीं बनना है. If I want to teach second class of student which can pay me 1,000 rupees per month, I need to be only 4th or 5th standard pass.
Absolutely true, sir.
And AI भी सिखाऊंगा मैं, then I can make 1 crore rupees. I wrote a book. Today I teach people, or my team teaches people how to write a book. We make 1 crore rupees from that.
Yep. One has to just know little bit more than what the other
That's
person
all.
knows.
You don't need to be master of anything. None of the expert who says that they are expert are an expert.
Correct.
They are also the learning, but they know more than you. That's why you said expert.
That's enough. Absolutely.
Do you think any doctor who goes in IMs or all those things, they know everything? No,
No
but
one
they
does.
know more than patient.
Correct. That's enough.
Heart surgeon does not know all those things.
Yeah, true.
ENT doctor does not know everything.
Correct.
They know more than what is required.
True.
अदरवाइज कैसे हो सकता है कि जब उनका एग्जाम होता है, एक बंदे के 40 मार्क्स आते हैं, 50 और 60 70 100, it means 40 to 100 people are also surviving.
Absolutely.
I hope that I made myself clear.
Yes, sir. 100%. So now we talked about skills. Now I've seen like most of the people, even at the Real Knowledge Club community, they have communication skills. I've taught them podcasting, presentation skills, how they have to build funnels, website, all like high income skills. But most people don't have discipline. How they can develop that discipline? Because when they're going for a job, morning 10 o'clock means exactly 9:55 they're there. 9 to 6 they're working in the laptop computer. While they're in the house, any day wake up at any time, work at any time. They have like loopholes, money. If they even if they earn like 1 crore or like 50 lakhs, they want to buy one BMW, or like they want to go there. They have like so many leakages. All the money is gone. How to develop that very strict discipline, as even Dr. Velumani also tells, frugality, discipline, focus. This is what is very important. Without that, how much ever money they make, everything will be gone.
Right. So, very good question, Akshay. Think about it. You are disciplined, but you don't say that you are disciplined. Since last 30 years, you are brushing the teeth, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Since 30 years, you are taking bath, isn't it?
Yes.
If your boss says tomorrow 9 o'clock officer is not there, only 8 o'clock you need to come, will you not follow that discipline?
You will follow.
Why? Because there's a cost of that.
Yep.
And if you don't go one day office, what will happen? Your salary will get cut.
Yes.
If you don't go for 3 days, your salary will become less, and you are not okay with that.
Mm.
So one quote I have read somewhere, and I will like to quote it here. If you do not take the responsibility of your life, somebody will take the responsibility for you, for your life, and he will do whatever he wanted to you to do.
Mm.
So job is a great way to just get an experience, but not to create wealth. And job में क्या होता है कि somebody is there, so you are not self motivated. So there are two things: either you are internally motivated or you are either you are internally motivated or externally pushed. या तो आप अपने आप कर लो, या फिर कोई दूसरे बंदे को बोलो कि मेरे से करवा के दे. Like me, I'm not very good in yoga, meditation and gym, okay, but I want to do it, and I know that my internal motivation is not there.
Yep.
अगर होता तो मैंने कर लिया होता. But if my internal motivation is not there and I want to produce result, so what I will do, I will create a team, structure and system to make that thing happen. तो मुझे अगर अपनी हेल्थ पे ध्यान देना है, accountability, and I do not have a motivation, so I will hire a yoga teacher or instructor, and he will wake me up at 7 o'clock. He will come in my home, he will take me to the gym, and he will do the exercise along with me. जो मेरे को बताएगा मैं करूंगा, अगर नहीं करूंगा तो मेरे को मारेगा या पैसा चार्ज करेगा, और फिर मेरे को घर तक छोड़ेगा. ये 2 घंटे का काम है, and he will charge me 20,000 rupees for that. Now I have a team. Correct. And I will also ask my wife or my maid कि ये वाला फूड हमको दे दो, हर दिन हमको एक फ्रूट चाहिए, वेजिटेबल चाहिए, ये चाहिए, 10,000 रुपीज लो, आपको मेरे को ये वाला खाना बनाना है, मेरे को दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. Now I have paid 30,000 rupees for yoga instructor, for my food, for my maid, and right now everything will come on my plate. I need to only do that. Do you think that I cannot eat food?
Absolutely, we will follow everything.
Now tell me, now 3 months के बाद में will my health become better or not?
It will become better.
I am still, I hate, but still I will go because I wanted to produce that result.
True.
This is the only difference. तो if you are not internally motivated, आपको लगता है यार मैं पैसा अपना मैनेज नहीं कर पाऊंगा, 5 साल से स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूं और स्ट्रगल इज नॉट मेकिंग एनी सेंस इन माय लाइफ. हायर वन वेल्थ कोच, हायर वन प्रोग्राम डिजाइनर, हायर अ वेल्थ एडवाइजर हु विल गाइड यू कि बॉस देखो अपने आप नहीं कर पाओगे, अगर करना होता तो कर लिया होता. तो आपको रिजल्ट प्रोड्यूस करना है. either you keep ignoring, or you accept कि बॉस मेरे से नहीं होगा. I will hire somebody, will pay 5,000, 10,000 rupees. He will make a plan for me and I will stick with that plan. Simple. आपको डिसिप्लिन नहीं चाहिए, आपको टीम स्ट्रक्चर और सिस्टम चाहिए. Absolutely. In my training program, we run one club called Wealth Club. Since last 1800 days, 5.5 years, this club is running. आपको अगर बोलूंगा अफर्मेशन करो, वेल्थ मैनिफेस्टेशन करो, विजुअलाइजेशन करो, गोल राइटिंग करो, टू डू लिस्ट करो, किताब पढ़ो, आप नहीं करोगे. सही बात है?
Yeah.
7 items you will not do. Sometimes 1 item you will forget. I have created a system. Every member of my community will come at 6:15 and 7 o'clock तक उस वाली टीम में Zoom पे आएंगे. उनको अफर्मेशन, विजुअलाइजेशन, बुक राइटिंग, वीडियो वॉचिंग, टू डू लिस्ट, सब कुछ हो जाता है. 1 घंटे में उनका काम हो गया, पूरी लाइफ सेट है.
Amazing.
For that one they need to buy a subscription and keep coming on that call. अगर मैं आ भी नहीं रहा हूँ, पैसे भी नहीं देना है, रिजल्ट भी चाहिए, तो सर ऐसा नहीं होता.
Yeah. People are like very lazily there. Everyone have big dreams, but they're not ready to work for it.
That's why universe does not go. देखो आप अगर थोड़ा भी काम करोगे तो आपको यूनिवर्स बहुत ज्यादा सफलता दे देगा. This is what my observation is. But अगर मैं if I will not take even one step, how universe is going to be rewarding me? और एक बंदा जो 1 स्टेप, 2 स्टेप, 4 स्टेप ले जाएगा, तो वो तो God will give. Let's say 5 employees are there in a team, and boss gives the some work to all of them same. एक बंदा थोड़ा ज्यादा काम कर, पूरा काम वो भी नहीं करेगा. 10 आइटम्स थे, उसने 4 करे, एक बंदे ने 2 करे, एक बंदे एक ने करा. अगर एक बंदे को चूज करना होगा, किसको चूज करेगा?
The one who does the work.
He does not do all those things. Even he is better than all those things. Then
Absolutely. Love that, sir.
Thank you.
That was amazing. Sir, and for all the people who are into like business, as you have coached so many people, you have created a wealth of over 20 crore plus as well in a very short time. What are the key KPIs or like business money terminologies? Like what's the most important? Is it like profit, loss, net worth, or like some balance sheet? What are the various terms one has to actually every day or like
Look.
every week they have to go through it?
Yeah, very good Akshay question. Think about it. If you will go to Switzerland, you need to learn the language, food, culture of Switzerland.
Yes.
If you will go to Singapore, you need to learn the language. If you want to sustain there, if you want to go as a visitor, you will go in 3 days and come back.
Yep.
So if I want to become financially free or a great businessman, I need to learn the technology, terminology of that. So let's consider ki if you want to become financially free, so first you need to understand what is financial freedom and how it can be achieved, what it takes to become financially free, who has become financially free, can I take consulting of that. So 3 to 5 items I will tell you in personal finance, because I'm a personal finance coach, I'm not a business coach. So first thing, your income, how much income you are making, write down. 90% people have only one source of income.
Yeah.
So write down 50,000, you are making 20,000. But there are other income also which is coming in your life, you don't acknowledge them.
Like
Maybe that you got discount coupon, maybe that you got a gift from your parents, maybe that you got an inheritance, maybe that your bonus is coming, maybe that your company has given you some kind of raise in terms of all those things. Write down everything.
Yeah.
Even you 20,000, 20,000, 2,000, 1,500, write it. Now you have income. Now you start noting down all the expenses every month. Grocery, vegetable, salon fees, स्कूल बच्चों का फीस, पढ़ाई लिखाई, सब कुछ नोट करो. इवन जोमेटो, स्विगी, लिपस्टिक, एवरीथिंग, पेंसिल, पेन, पेपर, बच्चों के लिए आपको बैग लाना है 200 रुपए का, 500 रुपए का, सब कुछ लिखो.
Sure.
You have given one donation of 20 rupees to बच्चे को, भिखारी को दिया, पूजा को 100 रुपए दिया, डाल दो उसमें. Now once every penny, if you are start counting, now you have accountability. Okay, 1.2 lakh I made, 80,000 rupees I am spending. Now 40,000 कहाँ गया? तो आप काउंट कर देखो. लीकेज अगर, लेट्स कंसिडर दिस इज अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. इफ देयर इज अ होल इन द वाटर,
all the water will go.
all the water will go. It does not matter 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 5 crore. अगर 5, if I will put 20 liter water continuously into it, will it sustain?
No, sir.
And that's what exactly happens. People are trying to make money rather than fixing the leakage. So income हो गया, expense हो गया. Third thing is called asset. Asset means you are making money and you are spending money. Some money is being saved which you invest in a asset generating, income generating classes. Maybe that FD, RD, mutual fund, stock you are investing, which will give you some return, which is called passive income. Asset में मान लेते हैं एक बिल्डिंग ले ली मैंने 1 करोड़ की, which is giving me approximately 3 लाख रुपीस per year as a rental income. डिविडेंट आ गया, म्यूचुअल फंड में आ गया, बहुत जगह आता है. उसको आप काउंट कर दो. और कितने आपके पास होम लोन, कार लोन, पर्सनल लोन. तो असेट माइनस लायबिलिटी विल गिव यू द नेटवर्थ. यू विल बी मेजर्ड सक्सेसफुली in always in terms of net worth you created, not the income you made. अगर आप 5 करोड़ बना रहे हो और आपकी पॉकेट में 1 रुपया भी नहीं है तो you are not successful.
Absolutely.
But if you are making 1 lakh rupees and you are deciding where money has to go and you are buying asset, that money management और प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ योर वेल्थ, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग पैसा बना भी लेंगे और एक स्कैम हो जाएगा, पूरा पैसा चला जाता है. हैव यू सीन?
Yeah, like stock market,
Stock
crypto market, ICO, some scams, some dream.
a lot of scam. Yeah, absolutely. तो protecting your wealth is more important, क्योंकि आप 5 साल लगाते हो पैसा बनाने में and you right. तो asset, liability, net worth, financial freedom, income, थोड़ा बहुत स्टॉक मार्केट, इन्वेस्टमेंट, पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट, ये छोटे छोटे वर्ड, जो भी वर्ड आपको दिख रहा है, सुन रहे हो, उसको गूगल में डाल दो, उसको चैट जीपीटी में डाल दो. कितना सेकंड लगेगा? अगर आप एक वर्ड भी रोज सीखोगे, आपकी लाइफ में 365 वर्ड हो जाएंगे. यू विल बिकम मास्टर मोर देन 80% पॉपुलेशन इन इंडिया, गारंटीड.
Absolutely right, sir. Sir, and when it comes down to insurance also, I was reading the tweet of Nikhil Kamath, Nitin Kamath. He was talking one emergency away. Most Indians don't.
You
have
are one accident away.
Yeah, one accident away to lose all the money. How should one actually go about how much they have to invest in their health insurance for them, their wife, their children, and their employees as well?
So I will describe, Akshay, I will take this question. I will tell you 7 steps of financial planning. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
Very structured formula. First step is whatever amount of money you are making, 50,000, 1 lakh. People are making 50,000. 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, जो भी पैसे बना रहे हो, start spending, start saving only 10 to 15% minimum. No matter what. Don't eat one time food, it's okay, but save 10% or 5%. जो भी एक रूल बना लो, 5%, 2%, 1%, 10%, 16%, start saving. Can you do it?
Yeah, we can
And
do it.
do not spend this money till your deathbed.
Hmm.
ऐसा नहीं कि आज सेव किया कल खर्चा कर दिया, नहीं, रूल बनाइए। मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में 2 रूल बनाए थे एंड आई एम मिलियनियर। फर्स्ट रूल वाज एनी टाइम मनी विल कम आई विल स्पेंड 10, आई विल सेव 10 to 15%। सेकंड रूल वाज एवरी टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू बी इन्वेस्टिंग माय 10% टाइम एंड 10% मनी इन माय पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट। टुडे आई रीड 1 hour per day, today I save 10%, 20%, today I save 90% of my income।
Wow.
पहले तो मैं 10% बचाता था, अभी 90%, क्योंकि ये होगा इवेंचुअली। सो 10% पैसे बचाओ। सेकेंड थिंग, प्रोटेक्ट योर लाइफ। इसका मतलब है टेक वन हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस एटलीस्ट 10 to 15 lakh rupees। लिंक आई विल गिव टू योर ऑडियंस इफ दे वांट, फिल दैट फॉर्म, माय टीम विल कॉल यू बैक कि क्या क्या कर सकते हो, कंसल्टिंग कर सकते हो। एक हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, बिकॉज योर फैमिली इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन योर लाइफ।
Absolutely.
उनकी हेल्थ आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, आपके पेरेंट्स की हेल्थ किसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है? आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, आपके बच्चे की आपके बच्चे की। देखो, हेल्थ सबकी अलग अलग है, लेकिन पैसा कौन पे करेगा?
We only have.
If your daughter is, my daughter is not well, I can't say my daughter please go and treat yourself, no?
No.
If my parents are not well, I can't say my parents ki nahi मैं, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
तो take a health insurance of 10 to 15 lakh, create an emergency fund at least for 3 to 6 months कैश फ्लो। मतलब अगर आप 50,000 रुपीज खर्चा कर रहे हो तो 2 से 3 लाख रुपए कैश रखो, सेविंग में करो, एफडी में करो। गॉट इट? नाउ थर्ड थिंग, टेक अ टर्म इंश्योरेंस at least 10 to 20 times of your annual income. If you are making 10 lakh rupees, 1 crore to 2 crore rupees term insurance you must be taking, क्योंकि any time COVID can happen, any time war can happen, anything, कुछ है, कुछ देखो दुनिया में कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन आप अपनी फैमिली को नहीं बोल सकते कि मेरी एआई की वजह से नौकरी गई थी, कि कोविड की वजह से गया था, कि मैं परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाया तो कंपनी। कैन यू से ऑल दोस थिंग्स टू योर सन?
We cannot give those excuses.
मनी इज रिक्वायर्ड, आइदर यू मेक इट और यू डोंट मेक इट। तो प्रोटेक्टिंग योर वेल्थ, इसमें 3 कैटेगरी मैंने बताई। टर्म इंश्योरेंस 1 crore to 2 crore मिनिमम, एवरीबडी हैज टू हैव हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस एटलीस्ट 10 to 15 लाख रुपीज एंड इमरजेंसी फंड। तो आपने शॉर्ट टर्म को प्रॉब्लम खत्म कर दिया, हेल्थ किसी की गड़बड़ हो सकती है वो आपने प्रॉब्लम खत्म कर दिया, और आपको अगर कुछ लाइफ में हो जाए तो आपने खत्म कर दिया। नाउ टेल मी राइट नाउ, योर फैमिली विल फील प्रोटेक्टेड और नॉट?
Yeah, they'll be protected.
दैट विल बी गिविंग यू पीस ऑफ माइंड और नॉट?
Absolutely.
हर हम जिंदगी में कर किस लिए रहे हैं? वी आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग ओनली
For
बिकॉज
our
ऑफ 2 रीजन,
family.
बिकॉज हैप्पीनेस एंड पीस ऑफ माइंड, कि मैं यार इतना पैसा बना रहा हूँ, मेरे को रात में अच्छा से सोना है और खाना है, पीना है, बच्चों के साथ मजे करने। सही बात?
Absolutely.
You do not want to become the prime minister tomorrow and want to become saint or become to Jeff Bezos. No, you want to live a good life. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ आपको नहीं बनना चाहिए, बट उसके लिए अलग तरीके का काम करना पड़ेगा, राइट? यू कांट बिकम प्रधानमंत्री बाय वर्किंग इन अ जॉब फॉर एंड नॉट। तो 2 चीज हो गई, सेविंग और प्रोटेक्शन। थर्ड थिंग इज कॉल्ड डेट मैनेजमेंट। डेट मैनेजमेंट मीन्स हाउ मच मनी यू हैव एज अ आउटस्टैंडिंग, पे एज सुन एज पॉसिबल। 5% एक्स्ट्रा पे करो हर साल, 2% 3% एक्स्ट्रा प्रीमियम, एक्स्ट्रा ईएमआई पे करना शुरू करो, और कभी भी बोनस आता है तो उसका 10% 20% डाल दो, डेट फ्रीडम हो जाओ। ये तीसरा प्लान हो गया। होम लोन है, कार लोन है, पर्सनल लोन है। 90% प्रॉब्लम आजकल कॉर्पोरेट में क्या हो रही ना, कि वो अगर कोई इनकम बढ़ जाती है तो सबसे पहले वो लोन ले लेते हैं। बोनस आया कार ले लो, बोनस आया ये कर लो। नहीं करना है अपने को, है ना? अपने को लाइफ स्टाइल बढ़ानी नहीं है, अपने को पहले फाइनेंशियली फ्री नंबर बढ़ाना है। इसके बाद ये हो गया लोन मैनेजमेंट। इसके बाद में होता है इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लानिंग। आपके घर में गोल्स होंगे, बच्चे की पढ़ाई, बच्चे की एजुकेशन के बाद में मैरिज होगी, उनकी घर करना है, कार खरीदना है, 5-6 चीजें होंगी। उनको पेपर पे लिखो कि व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू बी कंप्लीटिंग दैट। मेरे बच्चे राइट नाउ आई हैव अ सन 6 months old, डॉटर 7 years old। आई नो एग्जैक्टली 20 years में दोनों लोग ग्रेजुएशन करेंगे, तो मेरे को 2 करोड़ 3 करोड़ चाहिए होगा। तो आई नो टुडे आई नो और नॉट,
You have a calculation.
आई हैव अ कैलकुलेशन। अब 10-5 लाख आगे पीछे होगा, बट मेरे को गोल तो पता है। अब मैं अगर आज से लेकर के 20 years काम नहीं करूंगा तो 20 years के बाद में जब ही विल गो फॉर एडमिशन और शी विल गो फॉर एडमिशन, इट विल बिकम अ बर्डन फॉर मी।
True.
देन आई विल कीप फाइटिंग, मेरे को लोन नहीं मिल रहा है, बैंक लोन नहीं दे रहा है, नहीं दे रहा है। अबे रो क्यों रहे हो? जब व्हेन यू प्रोड्यूस द बेबी यू आर नोइंग दैट योर सन एंड डॉटर विल गो टू स्कूल, तो प्लान फॉर दैट वन। तो 5,000 रुपए 10,000 रुपए SIP कराओ, जो भी आपको कराना है करो, अपने फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर से बात कर लो। इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लानिंग हो गया। नाउ टेल मी हाउ आर यू फीलिंग राइट नाउ?
Now I'm feeling way more happier, more clarity. is
राइट
there.
नाउ अब इसके बाद में आपकी लाइफ इंपॉर्टेंट है।
Yep.
आपकी लाइफ इंपॉर्टेंट है, फिर क्या होगा? आप हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ विल लिव एट द एज ऑफ 60। हस्बैंड वाइफ एक साथ रहोगे। यू नीड 1 lakh 1.5 lakh रुपीज एक्सपेंसेस पर मंथ। रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग के लिए पेंशन चाहिए, सरकार पेंशन देती नहीं, तो यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ पेंशन फॉर दैट वन। ओनली 5% ऑफ इनकम हैज टू गो for retirement planning. At the age of 20 you start working, at the age of 60 you take retirement. तो 40 साल आपके पास होते हैं पैसा बना करके अपनी नेक्स्ट लाइफ जानने के लिए फ्रॉम 60 to 80. At the age of 60, do you think that your spouse can ask money from anybody?
No.
Can they get work?
No.
फिर क्या होगा? आपकी फिजिकल कैपेसिटी रहेगी क्या काम करने की?
No, sir.
Who will take care?
We only
Money.
have to take. Yeah, money.
तो आपको अच्छा आपको सबको पता होता है ना कि you will die and you will get older.
Yeah.
Anybody on planet Earth does not know.
Everyone knows that.
तो क्यों 1 लाख रुपए बनाते हैं? क्या हम 5,000 रुपए अपनी वाइफ और अपने लिए एट द एज ऑफ 60 में ये पैसा मेरे काम आ सकता है, तो रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग क्यों नहीं करते हैं? गवर्नमेंट पहले आपको पेंशन देती थी, अभी नहीं देती. क्यों देती थी 60 ईयर्स में? ताकि आपने 40 साल मेरे साथ काम किया है और आपने थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा डिपॉजिट किया है पीएफ में.
Correct.
अब वही पैसा मैं आपको दूंगा. सरकार अपने पास से नहीं देती. सही बात है गलत बात है?
Yes, yes.
बट सरकार नहीं दे रही तो किसको प्लान करना है?
हम ही प्लान कर.
हमको प्लान करना है. तो ये रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग, अच्छा 5,000 रुपए इज बिग डील और स्मॉल डील?
It's a small deal only.
But it will take 40 years, 20 years, 30 years. No, retirement is sorted. आपने अच्छा आपकी जब सैलरी 2 लाख हो जाए तो 10,000 डाल दो. सही बात है?
Yeah.
डिसिप्लिन चाहिए. मेरे को ज्यादा नहीं आता है कुछ, बट मैं मास्टर डिसिप्लिन का. और डिसिप्लिन भी नहीं, सिस्टम बना दिया. एक बार महीने के 5th को 5,000 रुपए इसमें, 10,000 रुपए इसमें, 20,000 इसमें. मेरी 2 बच्चे हैं, दोनों बच्चों को मैंने 10,000 की SIP करा दिया, कर लिया. 10 लाख रुपीस का गोल्ड लेकर रख दिया. अब मेरे को लाइफ में कुछ नहीं करना है उनके लिए. माई लाइफ इज सॉर्टेड. क्योंकि 10 लाख रुपीस गोल्ड विल बिकम 1 करोड़ आफ्टर 20, 30, 40 ईयर्स, राइट? और उनका एजुकेशन और मैरिज 10,000 रुपए से हो जाएगा. लेकिन ये होगा 20 साल बाद, 30 साल के बाद में. कैन आई वेट? एब्सोल्युटली. तो आपका रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग हो गया. इसके बाद में लास्ट होता है, इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपका इनकम टैक्स. क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट विल टेक 30% नो मैटर व्हाट. you make 10 lakh, 13, 15, 20, 30, government will take 15, 20, 30%. You make a plan also how you can pay to the government. गवर्नमेंट बहुत सारी स्कीम देती है जिसके अंतर्गत आप पैसे बचा सकते हो. तो प्लान करो टैक्सेस का. आपको लगता है 6 स्टेप इसमें बढ़िया आपको कॉन्फिडेंस दे रहा है?
Yeah, absolutely. It becomes more easier
फॉर यू टू फॉलो. एक बार हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ले लिया, रोज तो करना नहीं है. एक बार SIP शुरू कर दिया, रोज तो करना नहीं है. एक बार EMI सेटअप कर दिया, कुछ नहीं करना है आपको लाइफ में. नाउ हैव यू रियलाइज कि यार मेरे पास इतना पैसा नहीं है? देन आई कीप आस्किंग पीपल 7th स्टेप, एंड 7th स्टेप इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, कॉल्ड क्रिएटिंग मल्टीपल स्ट्रीम्स ऑफ इनकम. ये आपकी एग्जिस्टिंग इनकम से होगा 6th स्टेप.
With active income, passive income.
नाउ ये एक्टिव इनकम आप खर्चा कर रहे हो जिंदगी में, लेकिन 7th स्टेप विल क्रिएट अ पैसिव सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, एक्टिव सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, मल्टीपल स्ट्रीम्स ऑफ इनकम. नाउ क्या मैं ज्यादा, अब 1 लाख रुपए बना रहे थे तो 1 लाख का खर्चा कर दिया, अभी मैं बनाऊंगा 1.5 लाख, 2 लाख, 3 लाख, 4 लाख. फॉर दैट वन यू नीड टू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग, you need to start selling, you need to start promoting, you need to start doing something apart from your job, and job में रह करके ही करो. And that's how 7 steps of financial planning work. And exactly same formula I applied, and more than 15,000 students are applying, and they are getting financially freedom knowledge.
Absolutely, that's a very fantastic framework. I highly recommend everyone to use that 7-step process, whatever you told. Now that, sir, and what exactly is this magic number or like corpus?
Fire number.
Fire number.
So fire number is very basically that how much money do you need as a corpus so that you don't need to do anything in life. Fire means I think financial independent, retirement number, something like that, right? उसमें क्या होता है फायर नंबर में? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात है कि आई विल गिव एन एग्जांपल इन इंडिया के कॉन्टेक्स्ट से. On an average, stock market, mutual fund, real estate, gold will give you around 10% return, 8 to 10% return. So, is 10% income keep coming in my life, and I am comfortably living my life or not? Let me consider you कि let's consider कि अब husband और wife अगर आप बैंगलोर में रहते हो तो 1 lakh rupees is sufficient, almost.
Yes, sir.
1 lakh rupees का मतलब है 12 lakh rupees in a year.
Yeah.
If 12 lakh rupees every month, every year will keep coming. You don't need to go to office and come back home.
Yeah, true.
You don't need to drive silk boat to Marathalli to, you know what I am talking about. ट्रैफिक 2 घंटे, बॉस को यस सर नो सर नहीं बोलना है, सैटरडे संडे एंजॉय नहीं करना है, मंडे टू सैटरडे एंजॉय करो. कौन प्रॉब्लम है?
No problem.
बॉस की डेडलाइन नहीं है, कोई तुमको गाली नहीं देगा. तो फायर नंबर किस लिए है कि हाउ मच मनी आई कैन एक्यूमुलेट, विच इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 15 times of your annual income, almost. तो इफ यू आर मेकिंग 10 लाख रुपीज, अगर आपने 15 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो कितना होगा? 1.5 CR अगर आपके पास में कॉर्पस है, and it can create at least 8 to 10% return.
Yeah.
तो 8 to 10% रिटर्न अगर आपका कंप्लीट कर देगा तो आप उसमें से 4% 5% निकालो, सो दैट कि कॉर्पस भी बढ़ता रहे और जो काम कर रहे हो वो भी काम करते रहो. तो इसमें ये भी बात है कि ऐसा नहीं कि आई अचीव्ड फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम, आई विल स्लीप फॉर 30 इयर्स. नो, यू विल कीप मेकिंग 20,000 30,000 50,000 जो आपकी मर्जी होगी, तो वो आप ऐड करते रहोगे. एंड 1.5 करोड़ रुपीज विल गिव यू अप्रोक्सीमेटली 10 लाख रुपीज पर ईयर.
Yes, sir.
आप वो इंजॉय करो और जो 5 लाख रुपए एक्स्ट्रा आएगा फिर से इन्वेस्ट होगा, वो इन्वेस्ट होगा, लगातार वो कंपाउंडिंग आएगा, आप रिच बन जाओगे. और फिर जब आपके पास टाइम होगा फिर आप क्या करोगे?
We can our skills learn karo, our multiply karo.
हाँ, again you learn a new skill. That's what I became. Do you know how come I was having 6 years back only one source of income? How I have 40 source of income? Because मैंने 1.5 साल में रिटायरमेंट ले लिया. अभी मेरे पास 10 घंटे रोज हैं. अब 10 घंटे मेरे को ट्रैफिक में नहीं जाना है, बॉस का है किच नहीं करना है. रोज मैं 4 पन्ने 10 पन्ने 50 पन्ने पढ़ सकता हूँ. नॉलेज गेन करूंगा, नॉलेज को इंप्लीमेंट करूंगा, पैसे बनाऊंगा, नॉलेज को इंप्लीमेंट करूंगा. आप क्या इंजीनियरिंग के बाद में क्या करते हो?
Do the
नॉलेज मिला,
masters and-
इंप्लीमेंट करते हो.
Yeah,
नॉलेज मिला, इंप्लीमेंट. दैट्स हाउ यू मेक मनी.
absolutely.
That's a fire number.
Absolutely, love that. Sir, and tell us how you are able to travel to so many places. Some days back, I saw you in Himalayas, some Kashi, like so many places. You are going North India, South India. Every day you are speaking. One day you are doing an event at Sheraton. You also told me 25th of this month, May. You are
July
doing,
we are
July
doing.
you are doing an event. Then I see like somewhere you are speaking in Chennai, Hyderabad. How you are traveling like so much? Were you able to do that while you are doing the job? And now, even with so much of traveling, still your income is like increasing only.
So it is happening because of the compounding effect. I have done a book called The Power of Compounding. If you'll go to Amazon, you will find it, The Power of Compounding by Sandeep Gupta. What happens ki last 15 years I made money. That money is making money for me. Plus I have a YouTube channel, I have a podcast, I have done 11 books which is making money for me. I have a wealth club, I have a recorded version, I have a consulting, mutual fund, stock market, cryptocurrency, real estate, gold investment. All those things are making money for me.
Absolutely.
Think about it. अगर आपने FD करा दी 1 करोड़ रुपए की बैंक में, 6 लाख रुपीज will come to your pocket. आपको रोज बैंक नहीं जाना है. If you go to bank, still they will give you 6 lakh only.
Same only.
If you don't go bank, then still they will give you money.
Yes.
अगर आपने एक आपने बिल्डिंग बनाई 2 करोड़ रुपीस का, वहां से आपको 50,000 रुपीज रेंट आ सकता है. You don't need to go and mark an attendance every day कि मेरे को रोज पैसा दो. Tenants will come, they will live and they will keep paying.
Absolutely.
So that's how. And plus I have automated everything. My sales is automated. I take नहीं ऐसा नहीं मैं काम नहीं करता हूँ, तो अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए मैं हर वीक में 5 से 6 घंटे उनको सिखाता हूँ. तो एवरी डे 1 hour 1.5 hours in the evening I can sit. वो भी वीक में 3 बार. तो एक वीक में मैं ऐसा थोड़ी ना कि if I am right now, let's consider last month I went to Nainital. Every day I can pull out 1 hour in the evening.
Correct.
और एवरी 3 दिन में एक बार पुल आउट कर लेंगे. हिमालय पर गया 7 दिन तो नेटवर्क नहीं था, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, मेरी टीम कैन हैंडल इट. एंड एनी टाइम इफ हैदराबाद जाता हूँ, बैंगलोर जाता हूँ, 1-2 घंटे का मेरे को स्पीकिंग स्लॉट मिलता है. आई कैन गो एंड चार्ज 3 लाख रुपीज फ्रॉम देयर एंड आई कैन गो वन डे, कम वन डे, 3 दिन में अगर 3 लाख बन गया तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? किताब लिख लिया. डू यू थिंक दैट इफ यू विल बाय माई बुक फॉर 500 रुपीज आई विल राइट अ बुक एंड गिव यू?
No, like you will leverage and like then
क्योंकि
print it.
प्रिंटिंग कॉपी आपको देती रहेगी, आप बनाते रहो.
Absolutely.
So that's how I have created a system for me. I have a team, system, technology, everything. It took me 2 to 3 years, and the same system I teach people also how they can become wealth coach. From advisor to wealth coach कैसे बन सकते हैं, आप सीखो ना, करो.
Love that. Sir, for all the people who are watching this who want to be part of your team as a wealth coach or like wealth advisor, what are the skills like you see in a person before taking them inside your team, and how do you retain the team nowadays? All this Gen Z, they have attention deficit, very short term mindset, 1 month 2 month they want to work. How are you creating that culture?
So what I am doing, Akshay, very important question. I don't have a very vast team. I have 70% of my team is a freelancer.
Wow.
And they are 20% is a facilitator. Only we have a 3 employee in our company, and they also don't sit along with me. They are in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Delhi.
That's fantastic.
But only one thing, I pay, deliver the product. If you don't deliver, you get out of my way. I will train you, guide you, teach you, coach you, mentor you perfectly. And I see couple of attitudes. Are they disciplined? They are communicative. They have integrity. They are responsible and accountable. देखो, responsibility और accountability आप किसी को सिखा नहीं सकते हो.
Yeah.
You can teach
It has
people.
to come from the
ये
upbringing.
और ये 1 वीक 2 वीक 4 वीक में समझ में आ जाता है,
Hmm.
4 वीक में समझ में आ जाता है. तो पॉइंट अपना का क्या है कि सिंपल करो कि इफ यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग आई विल टीच यू, बट देन यू परफॉर्म अकाउंटेबल कि यार सर ये नहीं हुआ, ये हुआ, इतना प्रोग्रेस है, ये नहीं हो पाया, ये मेरे को सपोर्ट चाहिए, क्या कर सकते हैं बताओ मेरे को, आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्योंकि अगर आप सोचोगे कि यार मेरी कंपनी है, मेरी ग्रोथ है, मैं 50,000 बनाता हूँ, 60,000 70,000 हाउ आई कैन मेक, then you perform and you can make money. And I have a facilitator who are part of my community, and if I see that there are a lot of potential people who are there who need a platform, I am the only coach whose whole organization is run by the trainers and coaches and facilitator,
Wow, that's
because I
fantastic. You
trust
have
people.
created that flywheel effect.
Flywheel effect, because other
Bonding.
coaches they keep teaching by themselves. I also teach, but 2 घंटे महीने में. I don't know, I am learning. I have hired people. I don't know how to help people to write a book. I have hired. I do not know how to teach people about creating the courses. I know for myself, but I can't teach.
Yeah.
And if I can't teach, still I will not do it. Why? क्यों?
Yeah.
क्योंकि मेरे को मजा नहीं आता ना. तो I have a digital coach. I have a communication coach, leadership coach. ये 4-5 coach हैं हमारे पास में. Manifestation coach we hired recently. Now those people will be keep talking every week 1 hour.
Hmm.
Simple मेरी life है.
Absolutely. That's fantastic. Sir, what gave you the highest ROI, return of investment? You have invested in everything, stock market, mutual funds, everything. What gave you like 10x, 100x return, sir?
I will say stock market has given me around 12 to 15% return. Mutual fund is the same, gold same, all those things. 15 to 20% is maximum. But in my communication, in my training and coaching, what I have become as a person, whatever money I have put as a trainee in myself, buying the books, buying the podcast, buying the YouTube videos, courses, training program, किसी event में जाता हूँ, this has given me thousands of I'll tell you, I got a plate in 2023. Robert Kiyosaki came in India, and there are a lot of expenses has to happen. 5 crore का event था, 50, 60, 70 lakh rupees was needed, and I thought that it is never possible for me to meet such kind of global giant. You know, everybody in the finance industry knows about Robert
They
Kiyosaki.
look up to him.
I met him personally. I was sitting like him for at least 30, 40 minutes
I
on
think
stage.
you spoke in Ahmedabad or Mumbai.
Yeah,
right?
Mumbai it was
Yeah.
the event. I invested money.
Hmm.
And then I became India's Robert Kiyosaki because I got the brand. Then again last year I went to Sri Lanka. He invited me in his event. 400 people were Sri Lankan people were there. I helped people, facilitate people to play the cash flow game. I came closer. Did I pay money? Absolutely. Did I pay investment? Absolutely. And that's what it takes. Invest any training program. कोई भी ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम होता है बैंगलोर में, हैदराबाद में, 5,000 रुपए जाने में, 5,000 रुपए आने में, 10,000 रुपए इवेंट है, 20,000 रुपए लगाओ, सोचो मत. एक EMI कम कर लो, एक कार कम खरीद लो, 50 लाख की जगह 40 लाख का घर होगा, चलेगा लाइफ में.
Yep. Hmm.
20 lakh rupees card I can't afford, 15 lakh rupees I will take 15 lakh rupees card, 5 lakh rupees अपने ऊपर इन्वेस्ट करो. अच्छा ये बताओ, if you have a 4 BHK and you have 4 bathroom, if you have a 3 BHK and 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, will it make a lot of difference in your life?
No.
But 50 लाख रुपए आपने बचा लिया या 10 लाख बचा लिया, if you will put 10 lakh rupees in 5 years in your learning and growth, will you not become a...
It will multiply. Will.
Sir, today I can buy property every year.
Hmm.
People take 30, 40 years to create one property. Agreed or disagreed?
Agree. 100%.
People take 30 years to retire to
They
make 1
spend
crore
their
rupees.
Entire lifetime. income
Entire
to buy one
lifetime.
house.
1 crore rupees को बनाने के लिए पूरी जिंदगी लग जाती है.
Hmm.
Today in a year I can save 1 crore rupees.
Absolutely. Because you have learned the right skills. and
राइट
the right
स्किल्स. अब 1 दिन में सीखोगे नहीं सीख पाओगे, 2 दिन में सीखोगे नहीं सीख पाओगे. आप सोचो आपकी आप 15 years you spend in school and colleges to get a degree, to just give you a living.
conventional
Actually that is
knowledge.
not living but surviving. और आप उसके लिए 10-20 लाख रुपए लगाते हो क्लास 1 से लेकर के क्लास 15 तक.
Hmm.
आई एम आस्किंग यू, और तब तो आपके पास पैसा भी नहीं था.
Hmm.
योर पेरेंट्स हैज स्पेंड मनी ऑन यू, बट राइट नाउ मैं तो आजकल ये भी बोलने लगा, आप अपने बच्चों के साथ में अगर पढ़ना शुरू कर दो ना, आप 3 साल में मिलियनर हो जाओगे.
Absolutely.
क्योंकि बच्चे 2 लाख रुपए की फीस है, अपने ऊपर भी 2 लाख लगाइए. नहीं लगा सकते हो 1 लाख लगाइए, नहीं 1 लाख लगा सकते हो 50,000 रुपए. फिनांस सीखो, मेडिटेशन सीखो, योगा सीखो, डायबिटीज रिवर्सल सीखो, कम्युनिकेशन सीखो, लीडरशिप सीखो, जो सीख सकते हो सीखो.
True.
ये सबसे बड़ा रियल इन्वेस्टमेंट है। चार्ली मुंगर, वॉरेन बफे, सब लोग, दुनिया के सारे लोग देखो खाली सीखने में पैसा खर्चा कर रहे हैं।
Absolutely. Even recently, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett interview, some host asked what gave the highest investment. They also told investing in ourselves. Love that. So now we understood about the mindset, the skill set, and the system and everything. Now the most important when it comes down to relationship, to make money, when there is peace in house, that's when there is peace in harmony in the company, business, and everything. Especially for the Gen Z entrepreneurs and all who are watching nowadays, relationships, there are like lot of breakups, all these things happening. While choosing a life partner, what are the qualities they have to see? And because only when you are in peace, that's what I think the better half plays a very important role. Sir.
Absolutely.
What is your thoughts on it?
I'm not a my marriage counselor or anything. पहला relationship with money and relationship with your being, the people who are around. Relationship money has to be very very pure. Nobody talks about the way you give money, the way you receive money. Every time we follow arigato money, Japanese को Ken Honda है उनके साथ में. Last year I invited him in my event as well, Ken Honda, right?
Wow.
So think about him, right? बी अप्रिशिएटिव। भगवान ने आपको बहुत दिया है। लेट मी टेल यू, अगर आप 50,000 भी इनकम बना रहे हो तो इंडिया के टॉप 5% में आते हो आप। भगवान ने जितना भी दिया है, खा रहे हो, पी रहे हो, जिंदा हो, बहुत बड़ा गिफ्ट है आपके लिए। कोशिश हम करेंगे, बट डोंट क्रिब, क्राई, कंप्लेन। और आप अगर गरीब बन रहे हो तो अपनी आदतों की वजह से गरीब बन रहे हो। किसने बोला था आप 1 करोड़ का बीच के लेने के लिए? किसने बोला था आपने 20 लाख रुपए की कार लेने के लिए? बाइक लो, और ले रहे हो आप लोन पे, तो आप अपनी आदतों की वजह से गरीब हो गए। मैं आज तक नहीं खरीदा फ्लैट, क्यों? लास्ट 3 साल के अंदर मैंने बहुत सारी प्रॉपर्टी खरीदी, लेकिन 3 साल टिल द एज ऑफ 38 आई हैड zero प्रॉपर्टी। कैन आई टेल यू, आई वाज नॉट इवन नोइंग हाउ टू ड्राइव अ कार टिल द एज ऑफ 38। तो आप सोच लो मेरा माइंडसेट क्या होगा, गरीब टाइप का। बट टुडे आई हैव मर्सिडीज, गुड और बैड। Today I have 5 to 6 properties. What I am saying right now, invest in your learning. Second thing, भगवान के प्रति ग्रेटिट्यूड रखना। यार बताओ मेरे को, कम से कम मेरे, अच्छा आप सोचो अगर आपके मम्मी पापा के पास पैसे नहीं होते तो आप यहाँ पर बैठ पाते क्या?
No, not possible.
Have you said thank you to them?
Yes.
कहीं आप साउथ अफ्रीका में झाड़ू लगा रहे होते हैं, एग्री और डिसएग्री?
100%.
तो forget about you are making money.
Because
Your
our
parents has made money because of that one you are studied.
Correct.
90% लोगों के पेरेंट्स नहीं है। तो बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर देम, स्टार्ट अप्रिशिएटिंग मनी, हैव अ ग्रेट रिलेशनशिप। सोचो कि यार मेरे पास पैसा आ जाएगा, मेहनत कर लेंगे हम। लक्ष्मी कभी आपको नाराज ही नहीं करेगी अगर आप विष्णु बन जाओगे। विष्णु मतलब द कर्ता, द सब्जेक्ट, द पर्सन हु वर्क्स।
And we have to make Saraswati as our
सरस्वती इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ। अगर सरस्वती बंद, लक्ष्मी बंद, लक्ष्मी बंद तो काम नहीं कर पाओगे, राइट? तो रिलेशनशिप। नाउ सेकंड थिंग, हाउ जेनजीज के बारे में नहीं बोलूंगा, गर्लफ्रेंड है, बॉयफ्रेंड है, एंजॉय करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, खूब बदतमीजी करो जिंदगी में, खूब रिस्क लो, खूब रूल तोड़ो, जो करना हो आपको लाइफ में करो, बट आपका फोकस अटेंटिव, और आपको पता होना चाहिए आप रूल ब्रेक कर रहे हो। If you are breaking the rules, you need to know that you are breaking the rules. Whatever you are doing at the life, you know that you are doing, and you are doing with the full awareness, and you take responsibility that I have done. अगर मेरे पास गर्लफ्रेंड है, बॉयफ्रेंड है, मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता हूँ। मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता हूँ। नौकरी कर रहा हूँ, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता हूँ। कोई रूल तोड़ रहा हूँ, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता हूँ, एंड देन आई एम रेडी टू हैव दैट रिपरकशन। हेलमेट पहन के नहीं जा रहा हूँ, पुलिस वाला पकड़ लेगा, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लूंगा ना, मैंने नहीं पहना, 500 रुपये फाइन ले लो। गलत बात, सही बात? रिस्पॉन्स नहीं, मैंने नहीं सर मैंने पहना नहीं, गलत बात। मेरे को रूल नहीं पता, नहीं, सब कुछ आपको पता है। तो
ऑनेस्ट एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल,
सिंपल अकाउंटेबिलिटी। मैंने गलती करी, मैंने लोन लिया, मैंने गलती करी, मैंने अच्छी बात करी, गलती बात करी, अब मैं कर रहा हूं। ये आपको लिबरेट कर देगा। यू कांट चूज योर पेरेंट। नाउ कमिंग टू द हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ, आई कैन टेल यू कि आप चाहे जितनी बड़ी रिसर्च कर लो, चाहे जितने बढ़िया है 10 साल पहले रह लो, जो शादी के बाद होता है वो शादी के पहले नहीं हो सकता। When you start living 10-20 hours every day with your husband and wife, उनके ट्रू कलर आएंगे। ये भगवान की देन है अगर आपके घर में अच्छी हस्बैंड और अच्छी वाइफ आ गए। मैं आपको अभी बताऊं। और आप अगर ग्रो करोगे तो आप अपनी हस्बैंड वाइफ को भी, अगर मेरी वाइफ पता है, वी आर नॉट टू मच एजुकेटेड, हम लोग PhD, हमारे घर में ज़्यादा पढ़ा लिखा कोई नहीं है, बट हम लोग अपनी वाइफ को, हम लोग दोनों लोग 40 से 50 लाख रुपए अपने पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट में लगाते हैं। राइट नाउ माई डॉटर इज ओनली 7 years old, 3 से 4 प्रोग्राम वो कंटिन्यूसली करती है अपार्ट फ्रॉम द स्कूल। सो थिंक अबाउट इट। तो अपने हस्बैंड वाइफ को साथ में रहो, कि चलो संडे को ये वाला वेबिनार देख के आते हैं, इस वर्कशॉप में रिलेशनशिप बताई जा रही है, इस बार में योगा जब दोनों लोग जाओगे, देखोगे मार्केट में क्या हो रहा है, समझ में आएगा, तो आपको समझेगी, आप उसको समझोगे। ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग, देखो हम स्मार्ट हैं, आपकी वाइफ भी स्मार्ट है, हस्बैंड भी स्मार्ट है, स्मार्टनेस में कोई कमी नहीं है, सब में ईगो है। हम दोनों कैसे आगे, तीन चीजें हैं, एकोमोडेट, एडॉप्ट एंड एडजस्ट। अपनी वाइफ के साथ में एडजस्ट हो जाओ, एकोमोडेट कर लो, एडॉप्ट कर लो, और यही पॉसिबिलिटी आपको अपने वाइफ में भी देखनी है, हस्बैंड देखनी है। थोड़ा बहुत अगर नमक कम हो गया तो शांति रखने का, यहाँ पर इस बार मूवी देखने नहीं जा रहे, पर अगली बार जा रहे हैं, 5 स्टार में नहीं 3 स्टार में जा रहे हैं, तो एकोमोडेट कर लो।
Absolutely.
बस आप उसके लिए अगर रेडी हो, मैं आपको ईश्वर में बताता हूँ कि अगर आप दोनों लोग चलाओगे ना, हस्बैंड वाइफ, आपकी लाइफ बहुत, मेरी आज मैं ईश्वर का थैंक यू बोलता हूँ कि द काइंड ऑफ वाइफ I had 5-10 years ago, today I have a different personality. She's a writer. She cooks well. Every day I eat a new breakfast which you have never had in your entire life. I am the only person I think on planet Earth जिसकी वाइफ रोज नया ब्रेकफास्ट बनाती है, वो भी डिफरेंट टाइप का,
It's incredible.
डिफरेंट चटनी। जितनी जिंदगी में चटनी आपने देखी ही नहीं होगी, कौन है इतना वास्तु आपकी वाइफ करती है आपके घर में, सम्यक करती, देखो बहुत चीजें नहीं करती है, बट जो है वो अच्छा कर रही है, तो दोनों, लक्ष्मी वहीं पर आती है जहां पर लड़ाई नहीं होती है, झगड़े नहीं होते हैं, पीस होता है, वहीं पर लक्ष्मी आती है। तो जो है थोड़ा गम कर लो, संतोष कर लो, सेटिस्फाइड हो जाओ, और डोंट ट्राई टू बी स्मार्ट इन लाइफ। और हस्बैंड और वाइफ, मैं घर जाता हूँ तो बच्चों की तरह जाता हूँ, आई एम नॉट अ कोच देयर, नहीं मैं तो कोच हूँ, मैं ट्रेनर हूँ, मैं हर आदमी मेरे को पैसा देता नहीं, मैं घर में हस्बैंड, मम्मी अभी भी मेरे को थप्पड़ी मारेंगी। तो ये जब आपको समझ में आता है कि फैमिली में आप फैमिली की तरह रहो, स्टेज पर आप स्टेज की तरह रहो।
Absolutely. Love that. And it's one of the most important decision. One is like making money, and second is whom you are choosing as your life partner also. Right? It both goes in hand in hand.
एंड रिस्क तो आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा। इवन यू चूज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वन, स्टिल थिंग्स कैन हैपन, बिकॉज देयर आर कपल ऑफ सर्कमस्टेंसेस व्हिच आर नॉट इन योर फेवर।
Correct.
कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो, एक्सेप्ट कर लो। जिस दिन आपने चीजों को और लोगों को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया द वे दे आर, योर लाइफ इज डन।
Absolutely. Love that. So now I'll be asking you like rapid round
Oh.
questions. Are you ready for
Sure.
it? What is that one habit which changed your life completely?
Reading the books and meeting a lot of new people.
Love that. And thank you for inviting for the BLI.
Yeah, thank you.
Also. It
You're
was
welcome.
amazing. What are your top 3 favorite books which actually impacted you a lot?
Rich Dad Poor Dad. Second thing, The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. And third thing, I will recommend my book, called the Power of Compounding.
Love that. And what will be your top 3 to 5 affirmations or like journal you want to share to all the people if they want to become like a millionaire?
Okay, this is my book called 108 Wealth Etc. General. I have done 3 books, The Power of Compounding, Wealth Mastery. I will share the link that they can get a copy. I love money. Money is my friend. Money comes in my life easily and effortlessly. Money is my friend. Uh, money keeps working while I am sleeping. These are, I love money. Money loves me. Money comes easily and effortlessly in my life. I can make whatever amount of money. I have peace with money. I have a great relationship with money. These are, otherwise I will send the worksheet to you. You can give to your audience.
Love that. And what are the AI tools which you use, your favorite tools in day-to-day basis, which you recommend?
I don't use very often, but still Chat GPT, Cloud, and Chat Gemini. These are the couple things I am experimenting, and most probably I will also learn from you.
Yeah, thank you. And that was amazing. And sir, for all the people who wants to like learn more, how they can be part of your workshop or like how they can contact you, sir?
Absolutely, my name is Wealthy Sandeep. You too मेरे search करो, Instagram पे follow करो, and most probably I will send you the link only for your event people, and we run one 3 days workshop where we can invite them. We will be giving the free access. Attend that one, fill the Google form, and application हमारा Wealth Etc. Download that one. We will give you a couple of free courses. Enjoy that, and let's come.
Love that.
Be in the journey of
And
financial
you
freedom.
also created some game about wealth. What is that game, sir? Like you were gifting to even Robert Kiyosaki some.
So I have not created. Robert Kiyosaki has created the game called the Cash Flow Game.
Okay,
I help
amazing.
people to play that cash game. It takes 8 hours. I conduct the Cash Flow Game. So if you go to my website, you will be having the schedule Cash Flow Game event, and you can register for that one and play any of the event which you are coming. Write down Cash Flow Game in Bangalore by Sandeep Gupta. You will get all the details.
Amazing, love that. And final advice, what you want to share to everyone who are watching this podcast till now, sir, at the Real Knowledge Club. It was a great honor, first of all, to have you and meeting you here at the Whitefield, Bangalore.
Thank you so much, Akshay. I am nobody to give you the advice. I can only share my experience. Always keep hungry. जस्ट गेट आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन एंड कीप लर्निंग एंड मीटिंग पीपल. अगर आप अगले 3 साल खाली एक बुक एक महीने में पढ़ते हो, 5 नए लोगों से मिलते हो, नेटवर्किंग ग्रुप्स में जाते हो, इवेंट अटेंड करते हो, आप 5 से 10 साल में सर्टेनली 2 से 3 करोड़ रुपए सेव कर ही लोगे.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, sir. It was wonderful
You're
meeting
welcome.
you.
Thank you so much, Akshay, for inviting me.
Everyone who are watching this till now, do like it. Do let us know what are your three biggest takeaways in the comment section and share it with your friend, family, brother, sister. Let's empower more people. Let's make India the most literate, most financial,
Educated country.
educated country in the world. Let's make a world a better place to live. That's all for now. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you all.